Hey everybody, Jay here with PartsCounterGuru.com. This is going to be the first in a series of winter driving tips or getting prepared for the winter. We will include other maintenance quick tips down the road as well, but today what we want to do is focus on tire tread depth, which is really important to your surviving the elements during the winter. So there's some quick, easy ways to do this. You know, this is not going to be a coin trick. These two little items right here, a nice penny and a nice quarter, will save your day if you don't have a tire tread depth gauge. So let's take a minute and let's go to the tire and we're going to measure it and show you what to look for. Okay everybody, here we are. I have my two coins in my hand that we spoke of. We're going to use the penny first. We're lucky today. The example of the tire that we have here actually has a lot of tread on it, so that's good. It'll be good to describe to you how to use these and how to know when your tread depth is not good. So first we're going to use the penny, and what you need to do is have the head of the penny down, Lincoln's head down and facing towards you, and you're going to insert that in between the treads. Okay, if you can see the top of Lincoln's head, then you do not have enough tread. That's probably around 1/16 of an inch. So it's important to check that with that and make sure that that's accurate. Okay, the other thing you can do with the other coin is you can insert the quarter with Washington's head down and facing towards you as well. And if it touches Washington's head, then you have plenty of tread. Also on tires, all tires are manufactured where they have wear indicator bars located on specific points of the tire. And that is there to help you visually inspect the tire if you don't have a coin or a tread depth gauge. Typically, if the tire is worn enough to where the tread is flush with the wear indicator bar we have here, then you do not have enough tread and you need to get it in immediately and replace that tire. You're going to be in a lot of hazardous conditions during the winter, so this is very important. You need to respect the rules of the road. Certain areas will require change, so make sure you have those with you if they're required. Remember, you can visit us at PartsCounterGuru.com. You can also visit us at Parts Counter Gurus over on Facebook. And remember to keep air in the spare and your mother-in-law in the trunk.